Here's the easiest way to make someone moderator in your Discord server. Go to your Discord server and click on your server name and open server settings. Once you are in your server settings, go to roles. And now we have to create a new role for moderator. So click on create role. And here role name, I'm giving moderator. And now select a role color. And now we have to customize permissions for moderator role. So here I'm going to turning on display role members separately from online members, and then I'm going to permissions tab, and here all you have to need, go ahead and customize permissions for the moderator role. So I want to give view channel permission to moderator role. So here's I'm turning on, and I also give create invite change nickname permissions to the role, kick members, ban members, send messages in threads, and attach files, read message history, send voice message, create polls. And now I'm clicking on save changes. Okay, I've successfully created a moderator role. Now it's time to add people into this moderator role. So go to manage members tab, and here click on add members. And now from this members list, select one or multiple accounts whom you want to add as moderators in your server and click on add. And that's it. This user is moderator in this server. Here you can see moderator added. So that's how we can make someone moderator in Discord server. Thanks for watching.